Morning guys, Bo, Circle B Farms. Let's unbox our GoPro. Our GoPro 3 has come in, so let's get this puppy unboxed and then we'll unbox the accessories. Here we go. Alright, let's see what all we have in the box here. Let's get her open. Been looking forward to getting this package. Inside of a box. Here we go. Alright, we've got the GoPro Hero 3 Plus. 3 Plus. So we come with a couple camera holding mounts, SD card, GoPro battery, and a charger. And here is our GoPro. I've been looking forward to getting this. So now maybe the video quality will improve. So I've got to figure out how long it takes to charge and all that stuff. It shouldn't take long. Y'all comment down below if y'all have used a GoPro Hero 3. But y'all comment down below if y'all have used the GoPro Hero 3. And let me know what y'all's thoughts and comments are on it. But it's going to be very interesting to start filming with this. And maybe this way we can get multiple camera angles and improve our videos. But let's open our accessory kit and see what else we got. Be right back. Alright, here's our accessory kit. Let's see if we can get her open here. Got a nice case. Notice the case does not sit flat though. But see what this is. We got the packing list here. See what all we've got in here. Be the window mount for a vehicle with a little sticky pad, so that'll come in handy. Let's see what else we have here. We have a heavy-duty clip mount. Boy, the spring in that puppy takes 2 hands. If you can see that thing's stiff, but that'll work. With a mount here, with our mount. Little mount with straps for mounting on stuff. A bag of little screw mounts for different screws for different adjustments. Another bag of screw mounts. Curved handle mount for adjustments. We'd call that a wrist mount. Or you mount that on your wrist or mount it around a pole or something. You got the adjustable Velcro strap to pull around to get it tight. That'll come in handy. See what else we have. This is the it's a floating mount for using in the water. If you drop it, it'll float. Small tripod mount with the flexible limbs to bend around stuff. Chest mount with their harness. Another little strap. This is pretty cool. This is the head mount for the camera. This will work. This will come in handy. This will probably be used a lot. See what else we got here. We got a bag of stick-on mounts before we can mount it for places. What all we got here? Got a little bag of sticky pads for our mounts. Camera bag. And a selfie stick. But y'all drop some comments down below. Drop some comments down below and let me know if you've used the GoPro Hero 3 and what's your thoughts on it. Let me know your likes, dislikes. If you want more video, hit that subscribe button. It's free. Hit that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel. Talk to y'all later. See y'all on the next one.